adrenal masses. The adrenal suprarenal glands, often shortened to just the adrenals, are paired organs of the endocrine system, often asymmetric in shape. The adrenal glands are located superior and anteromedial to the kidneys, within the perirenal space, and enclosed by perirenal fascia. Each has a body and two limbs, a medial and lateral limb. Coronally, the right adrenal gland is more pyramidal shaped, while the left is more crescentic axially. The right adrenal gland is linear or V-shaped with larger medial limb and smaller lateral limb, while left adrenal gland is triangular shaped. Differential diagnosis of adrenal masses.